Welcome to W.S. Finch, our finch breeding farm located in Bangkok, Thailand. This is a place filled with life, colors, and the gentle songs of finches from a variety of species. Here, we raise our birds with care and dedication in a semi-open environment that allows them to live close to nature. You will see an open layout with 3 sides exposed to natural breezes, all safely protected under a strong roof. This design allows the birds to enjoy the fresh morning sunlight until 10 a.m. while staying dry and safe from the rain. Our farm is home to more than 130 breeding cages, each carefully arranged to provide a comfortable and safe space for the birds to pair and nest. Among the many species we raise, the society finch is the most prominent, with over 100 pairs. We also breed the stunning Gouldian finch with their vibrant colors, along with star finches, long-tailed finches, Bicino finches, zebra finches, and African silverbill finches, each species bringing its own unique beauty and personality to the farm. At W.S. Finch, we do not focus on mass production or selling birds. Instead, our goal is to breed and improve each species, developing their structure, colors, and quality to meet high standards and prepare them for shows and competitions. We treat every bird with love and respect. By focusing on selective breeding and long-term care, we ensure the health and happiness of every finch raised here. Cleanliness and proper care are also at the heart of our work. We ensure that fresh food and clean water are always available, and the cages are thoroughly cleaned at least twice a week. This keeps the environment safe, healthy, and stress-free for all of our birds. In this video, you will see the entire layout of our farm, the well-arranged cages, the open spaces, and the loving care we provide to each finch. We hope you enjoy this look into W.S. Finch and that it allows you to feel the warmth and beauty of the finches we cherish so deeply.